Do you feel the vibes?
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Matt Guzman here, and today I'll be showing a rundown of a 2x2 and how I'd solve it. So with the 2x2 in the beginner's method, which is what I know, there's as little as 2 algorithms you need to know, and the first part is just kind of just common sense and where the pieces would go. There's not really any algorithms for those, but for the last layer, I only needed to memorize 2 of them. So let me just mix this up real quick. Okay, so this is different from the 3x3 because, as you can tell, there's no middle. You have to kind of just make the white side yourself. You have to make it. So what I do is I just find if there's a bar of any kind that has 2 of the same colors, but it doesn't look like there's any. So I try to see which would be the easiest to make a bar with. So it looks like these are pretty close to each other, so I'd probably do that first. I just insert it. Inserting pieces is not very hard. There's not really an algorithm to it if you're just doing it for beginners. I mean, this is just kind of simple. This is the red and blue side, and here's the red. You're trying to put it into here. So you move this up because that's where you're trying to put it. Slide it because that's where you're trying to move the piece. And move it back down. See, most people would just do that, but then that breaks this. See how that works? It breaks each other. So you have to move this out of the way and bring this piece up to insert it. And that's not really an algorithm, it's just recognizing what direction you need to put it in. And this is when the algorithm is. So here's a bar. You put the yellow bar the opposite side of you and do this algorithm. And now if you look, we don't have a bar anywhere. There's no bars. There's no bars on top. And this is just kind of it's a pattern you need to recognize. If there's a yellow here, yellow there, and a yellow there. That's just the pattern you need to recognize. And you just hold it in this position. So sometimes you'll see it like this, and you'll think, oh, there's the piece on top. There's the one facing me. There's the one to the left. But that's not the right pattern. The right pattern would need to be this up, this here, and you do the same algorithm, which is this. Now, sometimes you will get other variations, so I'll try to see if I can get to it. Okay, one of them's this. Well, you'll have a checkerboard pattern kind of on top. So what you do is you'd set this facing that way, and you do the same algorithm. And that'll usually get you the 2 bars on opposite sides. In order to do that, you'd place the 2 bars literally in the opposite sides. And you don't have them facing you, you just keep them on the opposite sides and do that, and you'll get this, which is the pattern that we've been looking for. Yellow there, yellow there, yellow there. Same algorithm. And then this is the second algorithm you need to know. So you'd look to see if there's a bar of colors anywhere. Since the yellow part is already solved, you just need to focus on these now. So these aren't the same colors, not a bar. These aren't the same colors. These aren't, and there's the bar. So this is red and red, so we'll just move it to the red side. And the easiest way is to have this side facing down on the bottom, and what you'll do is you have the white side facing you. So the full color would be on the bottom, the white would face you, and you do this algorithm. And you just turn it into place, and there, 2x2 solved. So by using that method, I'll show how I would execute that method, and it's just a matter of recognizing the patterns and where you need to go, in order to do it. So I'll mix it up real quick. Alright, so like I said, when I'm inspecting it first, I look to see if there's a bar, but there isn't. And then I look to see if there's an easy place I can make a bar in, and there is. I can just slide this over to here, and it makes a green bar. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'll go now. And that's done. So, using the method I just showed, that's how I'd solve the 2x2. And if you enjoyed the video, please like and turn on notifications, and I'll see you all in the next video. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this how-to on the 2x2 Rubik's Cube, make sure to like the video and turn on notifications, and share this with anyone that you think might be interested in how to solve a 2x2, and be sure to watch out for any other Rubik's Cube videos I have, or videos in general. And I'll see you all in the next one. Dun, 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 dun.